All right. Hey, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Trading Bitcoin with your host, Tone Vays. I have about 5 minutes. I'll have to run to the train station in order to head off to Scotland from London. So this will be one of my shortest streams ever. Let's go to the charts. All right, weekly chart. The chart does not look good at all. It does look like we will solidify like the 7th consecutive red candle. And now we have to just wait for next week. If this thing closes, as I said yesterday, anywhere below 28,500, I'm going to see this as a pretty bad bear trend and probably with some significant downside. The trade is just barely above break even. You can see that we almost hit last candle's low. And if we had, that would probably end this trade. So right now, there's really no interest in adding more, giving this one more shot, and there's 1 day and 17 hours to go. So if at the end of this candle, we happen to rally back into a green candle, that would be an indication that we are pretty bullish and the rally will continue. But as it stands right now, I'm very, very close to just pulling the trigger and going back to full cash, because I am not very, very confident that this is actually going to go higher. The daily chart is what lost a lot of my confidence. On a daily scale, we did fall below the lows of 3 days ago, the low of May 16th. We're still above this other low, but the damage on a daily chart has pretty much been done. I am not really interested in the bullish case for Bitcoin unless we break the prior swing high. So we would now need to go up above $31,500 for me to be bearish once again on a daily timescale. That close of candle yesterday, even though it is at an extension C buy, is very, very disastrous. So now we wait and see. I'm not going to be looking for any bullish cases in Bitcoin on a daily scale unless we are above $31,500. And if we go lower anymore, that would end the bullish trade off the 4-day chart at approximately break even. And that's about it. The financial summit in the Dominican Republic taking place in almost 2 months from now, August 1st to 6th. Please check out the website if that interests you. This is the area. This is 30,600, but on a daily scale, this is no longer much of an interest. On a daily scale, we need to be above the prior swing. Just a peek at the markets. GBC premium. I mean, you got to wait for that little upside in Bitcoin, and then it'll start to evaporate. Oil, I'm still bullish on oil, regardless of the current candle moving back and forth by $2, which is weird, but okay. Gold, not really interesting. S&P, there it is. S&P is going down. See, this is a very bad look for the S&P. The S&P just closed at a new swing low, and that is very, very bad for Bitcoin. You guys know about, so Twitter. I'd be afraid to mention Twitter. So as I've said before many times, Elon Musk was not going to buy Twitter, and the market has basically done exactly what it was supposed to do. I was very, very surprised that we even touched $54. The market told me that Elon Musk was not going to buy Twitter. If Elon Musk was going to buy Twitter, the stock would have immediately went to 54 and stayed at 54. If Elon Musk does not buy Twitter, this is a $20 stock, because Twitter is basically a propaganda machine for the left, and people don't trust it. And I really hope that people at Twitter really feel stupid that they turned down Elon Musk's offer. The way they accepted his offer was not. They turned it down, then they ran to the government and had the government block it. It's anyone says that America is a true free market. I mean, that's it was obvious to me that Elon Musk was not going to buy Twitter, at least not at that price. I mean, if I was Elon Musk, I would offer about $30 a share right now for Twitter, and he'd probably get it because this thing is going to go significantly low. All right. Talk to you all on the next one. Bye, guys.